We're back at it again. Huh?
It's that little Dick's out here.
I'm probably not gonna run this. It's just like, he even said it was like, dude, that shit is too wet to be on your car. So it's a good thing I'm doing this because basically my dumbass put the fucking cold air intake under here and shut the fuck up. I had it in here thinking that it was gonna do good, but all it did was get fucking wet. Anyways, basically we're gonna cut that to make it fit above. And also, I got something in the mail. I bought something a while back that I still haven't put on my car, and we gotta fill up with coolant. Alright guys, so I just cut this a little shorter, and I just filed it, so it should fit a lot better. And Booby, or Lewis, he did something to the truck over there, and I'll show you guys in a couple. What up, Lewis? Huh?
Trying to see if this one works or not. I don't know how one works.
Huh. Anyways.
But we need a fucking ground.
He just got rid of the air box, whatever this shit's called. So it looks a little bit better.
A lot.
Bro, I think, all jokes aside, I would turbo the shit out of this. Just because you already know how to mess with it. You already know what's out there for it. And it'd be an easier swap.
And besides the fact that it's just like blow out my light or blow out the light. Really?
What, it doesn't work?
No.
Are you fucking up the eyes, dude?
I know.
You just ruined the whole look of the truck, bro. Fuck. What? I left the dirty mark, right?
That's all the
Tape. Let's finish this. Alright guys, so that's how it came out. It looks pretty good. I made it a little sturdier so it doesn't bang against anything. Some straps, you know. But I know it's not supposed to sit here. It's really supposed to have a chamber, but I don't have a chamber, so this will do for right now. So, cause yeah, that's a lot better than it being right under the wheel. Cause when I used to burn out, or I used to take off, or we'd race or whatever, which you shouldn't do in the rain. Don't do it. I'm telling you from experience, don't do it. But now water won't get onto that. Now time for the unboxing. It's gonna be kind of hard to do with one hand. Yeah, I'll show you guys. That's how the grill's looking, guys. It looks really fucking good. At the same time, I don't have the hood closed, and I'm not trying to close it because I still gotta go under it, and then I gotta go in the car, hop on the other side. All that mumbo jumbo. But it looks good. Once it's all one solid color, I don't know why I'm speaking like this. It won't look as crazy, I promise. But yeah, I'll show you guys Lewis's truck in a couple. He's still working on it. But while we wait for Lewis, we are going to install this little filter on the valve cover. But to do that, oh shit, I think it just fell through. Oh, almost. To do that, as I was saying before, I'm trying to cut these little bracket things right here, unless I might be welded on the other side actually. I don't know, I'm probably just gonna take it. Give me a couple seconds.
Alright, so very focused. I got rid of my airbox, which was right here, and then lead it all the way up to there. I made myself a little intake that goes from the thing, goes under here and ends like right there. I cleaned it up, and I got rid of the window washer reservoir that was up there, and got rid of this shit that was on the hood. So I'm just gonna continue cleaning, and you're gonna go watch Miguel's car, I guess.
No, I just gotta show him something quick.
Yeah.
We almost broke the camera. The fucking wind hit the fucking box that it was on, and everything fell. The lens went sideways. I don't know how we fixed it, but it's working now.
And that's all that matters.
That's all that fucking matters. That's it. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. Got the little filter on. I don't know if you guys can see. Then I had to do some ghetto shit. I gotta get another one of these filters for there. But everything's on. Grill's on. I think that's everything. Oh, forgot that one last thing. See how this goes. I'm doing this with one hand. Oh shit. This is a lot harder than I thought. Oh shit. Ah, fuck, I put too much. Alright, I think that's it for cooling out. Alright guys, and that's how the grill's looking. The hood closed, it looks really, really good. Just have to get this car in a solid color already. I'm already tired of looking at it, looking all fucking crazy. But it keeps freaking raining, so I can't do it. So I'm doing this shit outside. In like a tent or something. That's everything I was gonna do to my Accord. Now let's go check on Booby. Aw, shit.
Just like literally, this over is clean. All of that's still dirty because I don't want to clean all that.
You want anything else to your truck?
I need to go to advance stuff.
For what?
The light.
Let's go. Can you move the tow truck? So I can at least move my car out. And I have to leave. Or actually, hold on. Just when you thought we weren't gonna do anything else. Shrimp session! We're back to the iPhone because the camera fucking died. Yeah.
Again.
You gotta invest in a better camera, dude.
We gotta invest in batteries.
Fucking A. Alright. Let's get it. That big ass turn. Oh my god. Where did I die? Alright guys, we about to hit a hard ass turn, man. Goose has been not wanting to do this turn.
Is that like as fast as you can drive? Oh my god.
That's what.
At this turn?
Fuck, you almost had it, dude.
Silky beat.
I wish I really would have brought my car. I would have been doing OD burnouts going straight.
Silky beat.
Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Because my phone's gonna die. Bus is right. Or straight. That's it for today guys. My phone's gonna die. We got a lot of footage. There you go. Bye.